my beautiful skulls. In this tutorial, we will do spooky, scary and hot Halloween look. So girls and sisters, it's just for you. Today on my menu is cat prosthetic from mostlythat.com. I am so excited to do this look. I mean, you see mustaches? Come on guys! God, I can't wait to apply. We'll have just this part of prosthetic, but I will paint the rest of my body. I mean, just this part. Yes. So let's move on. First, I need to cut nostrils so I can breathe. I already tried mask and I am so glad that this part is very soft and I can move easily my lips. So this upper part is a little bit lower and I will stretch a little bit like this, and you see they made thin part so I can stretch it up how much I want. Okay, let's add prosthetic on my face and on mask. Okay, let's go first with white color. So this part, chin and my eyebrows, I mean tiger eyebrows, will be white. First I will go here and just tap. I don't want to touch my nose will be in different color. And just tapping. You see there is already excellent texture. It's a little bit difficult because of mustaches. Until the end I will eat these mustaches. Okay, this part needs to be covered very good. It's more easier for me to go from light to darkest tone. Oh, I didn't mention that my tiger will be pink. Why tiger needs to be orange? Why? So this is your look. You can use any color you want. This mask is very flexible. And eyebrows. I already have a look of cat. So I'm thinking to go a little bit inside. Yes. God, I'm so retarded on this side. I need somewhere else white. Let's see. If I add white here, my head will look wider, so I want that. Okay, let's go here. Today I want to play with this tiger look. I'm adding white on my eye bag and go up. I want that cat look at the end with black. So those sizes are a little bit different and asymmetrical, but I will fix that with my black. And I think I can add white here. So I will leave this part for pink and this for white. Now I'm going with pink greasy paint. With this pink color I will paint the rest of my face. Oh my god, pink! At this part I couldn't look because of my hair. Anyway, I will have the wig at the end, so everything's gonna look cool. I'm a dangerous woman. I'm changing my sponge because this sponge makes strokes and lines and I don't like that. Yes, thank you. Just avoiding white paint. I'm applying near white paint this pink very softly and I am blending in the same time. Going back with my white and blend with pink. You see the difference? When you blend, it's much better. As you see, we have some wrinkles here, and I will add dark pink or purple paint. I don't have dark pink or purple. I will mix something. I mixed pink and blue and I got beautiful violet. With my tiny synthetic brush, I will fill all wrinkles. Nice, okay. And we have big here. God, this is so tiny. With this brush I apply eyeliner. This is awesome brush. This is flat angled brush and it's excellent for tiny lines. I want to play with shadows and I'm using between dark pink and purple eyeshadow and blend to make more dimension. I want to add dark color here because I want to make my nose wider. And this part is important, so I want this part to be dark. This part too. Going with my brush over wrinkles. I want to blend them. I don't want to have that straight lines. The best thing with this mask is that you can play with it. You know, you can just go out like this, I mean nose and lips, and you can add tiger print or you can add some hair, so everything is up to you. If you ask me, this already looks great. But I know myself, I will complicate it until the end. I have a brush for hair. I want to try that. Here it is. I want to try to make some hair. Okay, I will go first with white. I love this. Oh my god, yes. So this is, I mean, you can do this and you don't need to do this. So everything is up to you. I needed to add hair on the spots where it's white. And a little bit more. I mean, look, this part is hairy, it's more realistic. Let's paint this cute nose. And after that I need concentration for tiger print. Well, nose needs to be a light pink, but I am already pink, so I think I will add some skin tones and a little bit orange. After this I need to outline nose with black, white on edges. It's time for tiger print. So I'm very nervous because if I mess up, I can't go back. That's why I need to apply first black pencil, you know, to make a sketch. Oh God, help me. I mean, I will kill myself if I ruin everything. First, I will do mustaches. I will go for a rose. Okay, I have one side, now I will make another. I have a picture in front of me of tiger, so I want to copy that print. Now let's see, I need to outline my eyes. Okay, this part will be totally black. Outline my eyes. This part, when my mask ends, it's awesome for black line. I need to make it very slow. I don't want to make mistake. But you can apply very straight line because it's tiger, you know, it's hairy, so it's not big deal if you make mistake. You see, I made such a great camouflage here. We can add some line here. Very important when you do tiger print to be symmetrical. Here. I can camouflage this part too with black. Okay, I'm ready to apply with my greasy paint and everything is easy now because I already have a sketch. I will shake my hand. When you shake your hand, you already have a texture. Or you can just press and release. Press and release. And everything I left on my brush, I will add on my beard. Add some dots and just pull. Just press my brush and pull up. For mustaches, I'm taking smaller brush and I will just press. I will make dots. Start with small dot and bigger one and bigger one. To outline my nose, I will use eyeliner and my eyeliner brush. Very slow. So I already have where to apply black lines. It's easy. While this paint is fresh, I will blend this black. With the same brush, I will paint my nostrils. Blend this lower part with black eyeshadow because my lips will be black. Definitely need more hair strokes here, so I will apply. On this part, I will do exactly the same process, but I will do with water-based paint. Okay, kitty cat. Here I am. Only I need is jacket, wig, eyelash. I don't know which eyelashes I would use. Tiger lashes or some spooky lenses or cat lenses. Cat lenses. Yeah, cat lenses. I'm thinking about to put back my piercing. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share. Happy Halloween! Мяу. Что это было?